Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther. So for today I'm going to teach you about one of the examples of application software, and that is presentation software. So presentation software is a software program that helps you to organize and present information to the audience. Okay, so it's in form of slides. Yeah, so presentation elements include, we have slides, we have handouts, speakers, notes, outlines, templates, and auto features. Those are the presentation elements. So a slide is an individual page in a presentation. Okay, so it's in form of a rectangle, something of that sort. Anyway, in my next video I'll be teaching you more about it. I'll show you everything about it. For now, I'm just going to explain what they are, and in the next video I'll actually show you, do the practical bit of it. So handouts. A handout is a combination of two or more slides. So when you have one slide and more down, that becomes a handout. It ceases to be a slide, but they become handouts, in a single page. Okay, then speakers notes. These are notes that help the speaker as they're trying to deliver their presentation. The notes you have help you to deliver your presentation successfully. Then outlines are instead of, what do we mean by outlines? Instead of writing down everything, imagine you're talking about a specific topic. Let us say you're talking about economic growth. Instead of about the factors affecting economic growth, instead of explaining maybe the point of government policy as a whole, explaining it in details, you just put government policy, then other things down. Let me say which other things are there. Development. Okay, that's explaining economic growth. Okay, the points down. Instead of explaining them, you just outline them. This makes your presentation easy because, yes, you know what you're talking about. So obviously, when you have an outline, you'll just read the point and you'll explain it, instead of reading and you have to read everything from the notes. This disorganizes your audience. You'll not be able to communicate or have a facial view with the people you're communicating to. So templates. A template defines what your presentation will look like, where text and other objects will appear. The foreground or the background colors to be used. Imagine you change the background color, you may put yellow, or a type of text you'll use, maybe the type of letters you'll use. I know you understand the things. Then the auto features. These make it easier for one to perform his work. They include the clip art commands, which enable the user to include clip arts in his or her presentations. Clip arts are pictures or something that you involve in your presentation. Now let's go to features of Microsoft PowerPoint. Remember, okay, all this presentation software, we get it from PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so there are some features of this PowerPoint that I'm going to talk about. I'm not going to talk about all, but I want to talk mainly about two. I'm going to talk about autocorrect and animations. So what do we have? Autocorrect helps in to correct typing errors and capitalization of mistakes. So it helps you there. That's what autocorrect is. It corrects everything automatically. Okay, then animations. It enables a user to put live impact into the presentation, feels lively and not a boring. It makes the presentation not boring. Okay, everything just feels right, and at least there is additional motion to it and sound effects to objects in the presentation. This really helps your presentation not to be boring. So those are the two things I was going to talk about. Then another thing I'm going to talk about is a slideshow. So a slideshow shows you how your slide will appear when printed or displayed. So it shows the order of how everything will go, the real right order of how your presentation will flow from the start to the end.